Hello, this is Jason, and today we are talking about altcoins. What is altcoin? The term altcoin combines the words alternative and coin. All cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin are referred to collectively as altcoins. Because the majority of cryptocurrencies are forks from one of Bitcoin or Ethereum, some people define altcoins as all cryptocurrencies other than those two. Some alternative coins aim to set themselves apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum by offering new or additional features or objectives, while others employ alternative consensus processes to validate transactions and open new blocks. Altcoins are a part of the blockchains that they were specifically created for. Many are forks from Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is the splitting of a blockchain that is incompatible with the primary chain. Altcoins claim to address the alleged shortcomings of the cryptocurrency and blockchain that they are branched from. Types of altcoins. These are a few types of altcoins available to us today. Payment token. As their name suggests, payment tokens are intended to be used as currency to exchange value between parties. The best illustration of a payment token is Bitcoin. Stable coins. Since their inception, cryptocurrency trading and use have been characterized by volatility. Stablecoins seek to lower this overall volatility by tying their value to a variety of commodities like fiat money, precious metals, or other cryptocurrencies. Security tokens. Security tokens are tokenized assets provided on stock markets. Tokenization is the conversion of an asset's value into a token, which is then distributed to investors. Any asset, including stocks and real estate, can be tokenized. The asset needs to be held and secured for this to operate. Utility tokens. Utility tokens are employed to deliver services within a network. They could be used, for instance, to pay for services, cover network costs, or get rewards. ETH is a utility token as well. It is intended to be used as payment for transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and virtual machine. Meme coins. Meme coins, as their name suggests, are parodies or humorous interpretations of other well-known cryptocurrencies.